In this video, I'll guide you through how to increase Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you will click on your Windows key and search for Control Panel. Now you need to click on a small icon and select Category. Now you need to click on Network and Internet and then Network and Sharing Center. From this page, you need to click on Change Adapter Settings. From this page, you need to choose your internet adapter and right click on it and then click on Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4 and select it and click on Properties. Then enable use this following DNS server address and type your preferred DNS server 8.8.8 and for alternative DNS server you need to type 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. Now close this pop-up. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily increase Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11.